Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be making some pepper soup, and like my other video, I am actually doing a talk over kind of video, and I'm using some mixed meat. I think we call them assorted. So I've got some beef here, I have got some shaki, and I've got some cow food as well. But you can use any kind of meat for this recipe. It's basically the same process. Onions, and I'm sure you're wondering why I've got my onions chopped this big. You will see why once I start making the pepper soup. And then I've got some scotch bonnet here. This scotch bonnet is really hot, but I like my pepper soup really hot, so I'm using 2 of them. And also I've got half of sweet pepper. This is not really important, but it gives the pepper soup a different kind of color. It just gives a color to the pepper soup basically, which is why I'm using this, but you can decide not to, honestly. So I got some salt and some seasoning. This is the pepper soup spice. So basically this is what you buy already grounded, the powdered one you buy in the store. This is basically the ingredient inside, and probably some chili powder. So when I've got them, I'm going to be grinding it myself and adding to my pepper soup. Finally, I'm using some parsley. This is because I thought I had the scent leaf, which is what almost everybody uses for pepper soup, but I just realized I don't have it anymore. But parsley will do just fine. But if you've got the scent leaf, then that is the perfect option. So yeah, so I've got all my ingredients here. Now let's start cooking. So because I've got different kind of meat, and their cooking time is completely different. The cow food and the shaki cook longer, so I'll cook them together, and then before they are properly cooked, I will be adding my beef. Add my shaki and my goat meat in here. So, and I'll be adding the onions inside. I'll be adding some salt. Add 1 of the no cubes, just 1 of it. I'm just adding just 1 for now. I will also blend my pepper soup spices and add to it. So this is my blended pepper soup spice. Just gonna add that. Add some hot water. So my meat has now been cooking for about half an hour, and I'll take out all the onions. Because my pepper soup water is already flavored, which was the initial reason why I added them. I will be blending half of it together with my scotch bonnet and my sweet pepper. This back to keep cooking for another 10 minutes before I add my beef. So my meat has been cooking for about 40 minutes now. It's now time for me to add my beef. Adding my beef now. So I'll add the remaining 1 cube water. It's been 20 minutes since I added my beef. It's now time for me to add my blended onions and pepper. Taste it to see if I need any more seasoning. Adding just 1 extra no seasoning. Now cover and allow it to cook for another 30 minutes. So my meat has been cooking for about an hour and a half now, and I think the meat is ready. It's soft enough. I'm just gonna check. Yeah, it is soft enough. Yeah, right. So now I'll just add my leaf. And then I'll allow it cook for further maybe just 10 minutes on a low heat.